Hello, tell me about what you've built today.
I made this and it's got a roof.
What is it?
It's a ship.
Can you take me on a tour of your house, please? How old are you today?
4.
What date is it today?
I
8th of August, 2016. Wow. Tell me about your ship. You built this all by yourself. Can you turn it around so I can see it? Oh, whoa. It's like the house that Oscar built.
Who's Oscar?
You.
What about your person? No.
So tell me about it. Tell me about it.
So I just need to put this there. Then I need to put that there. See?
I love it.
Then it's another side.
Oh,
We're going to do one.
I'm so proud.
Mum, we are going to do one big one together.
Hang on.
Yeah. Mum, but it's not done yet. I'll do it in the morning. Some in the morning.
Okay, what day is it today?
I didn't know.
Did you go to kindy?
Yes.
Did you have fun?
Monday. Yes. It's Monday today.
It is Monday.
Monday.
Who loves you?
Leah.
What about me?
I love you too.
You got a girlfriend now, haven't you?
Yes, and a boyfriend.
Oh, do you have a boyfriend too?
Yeah, Andrew. No. Jamie and Finn.
Oh, they're your friends.
And-
They're your mates. We don't call them boyfriends, we call them mates.
And Cohen.
He's your cousin, mate.
I said Cohen to him.
Rightio. And what's your name?
Harry.
And how old are you today, Harry?
6.
Yeah, and what are you going to show me today?
My Lego ship. Hey. And
Who built this?
Harry.
Who's Harry? You?
Myself.
Oh, you built it.
This is a rescue ship and a police ship.
Uh-huh.
And it has some different things on it. It has a swimming shirt.
Oh, that's half a person. Did you chop him in half?
No,
I think you're missing his head and his legs.
It's my clothes, and this is my skis. This big long blue thing,
Oh.
and these are my ice skis. What here? Those help me go on ice and make ice.
Skates.
Skates everywhere, and it has a bomb in it, so I can blow up ice or water.
Wow. Very versatile.
And also, Mum, it has Mummy siren. Now you can stand on here. Now you can stand.
Whoop. Not quite. Hey, where are we living right now?
In DY.
What's your address?
The Crescent of DY.
What number unit?
11.
And what number block?
11.
11 at what? How old's Oscar?
4.
And what block are we in? 44.
44. And everyone in this apartment is 44.
And can you see the moving boxes behind us? Are we moving? Are we moving?
Yes. But this house and I can go. And this guy can fly. This is my guy who can fly.
Is that the one you chopped in half?
No. And mine's a racing one and the police and the saving one. And it has a hot frisbee. We can turn it into anyone. Even a pumpkin one. And I have a telephone on it, which is this one.
Okay, I'm going to wrap it up now. What are you going to say? Last words.
and it has some extra pencils.
Oh, that's not exciting last words. What's your last words?
I don't know.
Oh.
Okay, now